Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then taking action. Install Grafana 9x and ensure the service is active. Once done, add your data source, enter Prometheus or InfluxDB URL, and test the connection so queries will work. Next, create a new dashboard and a folder to organize it. This prevents clutter as you add panels. Make sure to save often and name the dashboard clearly so your team finds it quickly. This early structure saves time later. Now you build the middle. Add panels and choose visualizations that match your data story. Start with a graph for trends, a stat for key metrics, and a table for raw details. Then craft queries and iterate. Use variables for hosts or services so one query adapts across panels. Once queries return good data, configure thresholds and legends to highlight anomalies, and align time ranges so panels sync. This makes comparison and diagnosis fast when you need to act. Finish by configuring alerts and permissions so the right people get notified and can view or edit the dashboard. Export the dashboard JSON for version control and create shareable snapshots for stakeholders. Also set sensible refresh intervals to balance timeliness with performance. If something breaks, first check data source credentials and API limits, then verify query time ranges and panel time overrides. Make sure Grafana logs show errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.